So this is drawing competition for World Environment Day. What are you drawing, Susumna? You're erasing only. Where is it? Okay, flower. Why are you erasing? Nancy is drawing something here. Well, Sangmu. Okay, very good. Yes, start coloring also. Good, good, good. Keep it up, keep it up. What is that? Ice cream? Oh, house. Sorry. Okay.
Like this.
Yes. Color it also. Yes, what is this?
Sir.
Advik, what did you make? Yeah. Britti, what are you making? House. Lenshu, what did you make? Good, very good. Make nice one. Fill up all the paper, huh? Okay, his mountain is smiling. Where is your drawing? Okay, now color it. Finish?
Yes.
You fill up the paper, whole thing? No. Cover everything. This side also. Write some good points about World Environment Day.
Huh?
Yes.
I already got World Environment Day.
You write something more?
Huh?
Some more lines?
Some more lines.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. What? Okay, today is special because today is... I think you all didn't understand, today is World Environment Day, so we are going to have some programs. We have already finished drawing competition, I have showed you already, and let us begin with cleaning, plantation, and yeah, whatever comes. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned. Keep supporting Arjun Daddy.
Like, subscribe and share. And comment also. And comment also.
Where are we going now? To plant? Garden. No, we are going to the jungle. What will we plant? Trees. These are saplings and I have the chabda. Okay. Walk. Slowly. There are snakes there. Let us pray, okay, before we do anything.
Happy
Cover it with the mud. Not with that. With your hand. You can do it with your hand also, no? Oh.
Yes, no, you can do.
Properly. That's not how you do it. Okay.
Morning. Sorry, digging.
Where is that plastic? Where did you throw? Oh yeah. Bring it. All your plastics and papers. Put inside this one.
Hey, Sumi. Hey, Arda. Oh, you taking? Not catching. Yeah, like this. Yeah, catching that.
No English. Proper English.
We have to get that out.
No, that only. Keep it. And cover it. And this is mango. Where is your stick?
Sumita, what
Nivyan.
is it? Which plant? Not
Instead of holding in your hands, you keep it at the side. We will call you one by one. Now with this, cover it. What?
Sir, my plant name is Sinchan. My
Okay.
plant name is Sunyo. My
Okay.
plant name is Malata.
Give your plant another name. Okay.
Mary.
Mary, okay.
My name is Malata. I know you will marry.
Not Maya. What?
Oh, that's so naughty. This no, this is. What happened? Oh. Hello. Having. Dibyanshi. Not you.
Hey, you will kill it like this.
Dibyanshi.
Down also.
What is this? My name is. My plant name is. My name is Chitti. My name is.
Let me look at the camera also.
Don't look. You are not sweeping. Don't push now.
Yeah.
Go fast to Mr.
You will survive. You will not die. Go anyway.
This is
Lychee.
yes. Touch it.
Recycle. Hello.
Recycle.
Class 5, you did not bring any trees. Plants.
Fine trees means you can also eat. Oh my God! One small goal is. Hey! What is nitron?
Okay, oh, they also don't know what they are planting.
I'm also working. Oh my God! Okay, my turn.
Cover it with that.
Put it in this.
Give it the name of it.
My son, my put here.
How many left? 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's go.
Okay, son. What?
It will not kill you.
What is that? I will kill you. Theta hero.
There, put in the.
Go.
With that molar.
Here we have Sakindang. Oh my God. गजब बेइज्जती है बोला your son next one oh no गजब बेइज्जती गजब बेइज्जती हो गई गजब बेइज्जती बा
Okay, settle. No, I love it. I'm tired.
Sakindang, you are very motte. You have very energy. Do. Mine. Here we have second one. Excuse me, second one. And we second, you can do it. You are very strong boy. Bye bye, Shinchan. Bye bye. Bye bye, second.
Squeeze like this from the sides. Okay?
Oh.
And take it out. Hold it. Hey, here, hold down. Now place it. Yes, good boy. Take up all the plastics.
Hey, cameraman. This cameraman is on.
Yes, very good.
This is so small. Yes. This is which plant? This I don't know. I only don't know, भाई. सच में भाई माँ कसम मुझे नहीं पता देखो.
That whole zola.
Hold जरा. Hold जरा.
Yes, Boras, everything.
Yeah, sorry, staying very minute. Like subscribe for the Minal sir.
मेहनत.
Yes.
For his मेहनत.
Yes.
सर का पसीना से बेहाल. ये कहाँ पे ले जाना है पता नहीं.
Here we have to do a monkey thing. Ouch. I'm whistling and going down. I'm generally watching. Oh. Hi. Oh. The Undertaker is here. Let's go. I'm cutting video. Okay, Sakalung. Bye bye everyone. Bye.
So hello guys, so this was today's program. We had lots of fun and we enjoyed. We had other programs also, I could not cover it much. But anyways, we did a good one, isn't it? Who all were there for plantation? You? Someone was there for planting trees and all? No, not you. There were some students were there. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.
Bye bye.